Welcome to my new puppy, and I'm your host, Ali A. Parker. Now today, I'm going to give you 7 ways dogs have made life easier for humans. And before we get started, hit that like button. This helps this channel bring more videos like this to you. And oh yeah, subscribe. 1. Protection. Dogs keep us safe. They are loyal and devoted to their families. Having a Rot, German Shepherd, or many other breeds can help us feel safe, knowing we have a bodyguard willing to go to war for us at a moment's notice. 2. Love and companionship. They are called man's best friend, and they got that name because some would say they are more loving to their humans than other humans are to humans. Dogs are always happy to see you, and they always seem overjoyed when you come home, even if you haven't been gone that long. Dogs have been known to reduce stress and anxiety in their owners, and also help with depression. 3. Hunting. Since the beginning of man's relationship with dogs, dogs have assisted man in hunting. Men depend on them to help them to get food to feed their families. Some dogs are used to chase down prey, hold them down. Others are used to retrieve small prey like birds and rabbits. And we also use their nose to our advantage. We use it to track prey. 4. Pest control. Yes, dogs are even used for pest control. Small breeds like Jack Russell Terriers are used to control mice and rat infestations. 5. Herding. People have used dogs to assist in herding animals and rounding them up for many years. Dogs like Border Collies were bred specifically for this job. Without the help of these canines, herders would have a very difficult time controlling large herds. 6. Detecting disease. Dogs have been used to even detect illnesses like prostate cancer. They can detect prostate cancer by the smell in a person's urine. 7. Guarding. From guarding sheep or other herds of animals to guarding your home when you're not there, dogs have been very useful in keeping others away from their owner's valuables. Now, as you watch this video, look down at your pet and see that they're very valuable to you and all of mankind. So when you see this, go out and get them something special. Do something special for them. Like getting them a new collar, some good food, or a nice toy. Remember, follow My New Puppy with Ali A. Parker on Facebook. There we have a full shop where you can get all these things like a new collar, good dog food, toys, or whatever you like for your new pet. And all these things are at discounted prices. And remember, follow My New Puppy with Ali A. Parker on YouTube. And on the YouTube videos, We will leave links in the description so you can get some of these items at discounted prices. So until next time, go have fun with your new puppy. Goodbye.